Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so we're going to take a look at the Pixel 4 running on Android 12 Beta 4. Now, let me just get the normalcies out of the way here. So as far as performance, if people want to know, is it performing better? It's performing really good. The freeze that was plaguing in Android Beta 3 is gone, so there's not a lot of issues there. Photos are still good, so when you're taking photos, selfie and the regular photos, and even using the telephoto zoom, those are really good itself. The audio is on point, still punchy, still loud, so that's great. There's not a lot of drastic issues, but obviously when beta 4 rolls out with any Android beta version, beta 4 is usually at a very stable point, and so that's where it's at right now. So we're not too far away from Android 12 being fully released, but on the Pixel 4, everything is just working as it should be. There's been no issues at all with the Soli sensor for motion sense. Much less, it still opens up with face recognition pretty quickly, so those things are not hindered with this latest beta version. Now we'll talk about some of the things that's affected with Android 12 beta entirely, and not just with beta 4 but entirely. The biggest one is the YouTube Studios. This affects a lot of YouTube creators, so if you're not a YouTube creator, don't worry about it, but most YouTube creators use YouTube Studios to track comments and see the performance of the videos. And the problem with the YouTube Studios on Android 12 beta is that it will work for some time. You'll be able to get in there and do your thing, but then you'll notice that later on throughout the day when you try to get in there, it'll start to crash. And the only way to fix that is by uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. And I did have a brief conversation with YouTube on Twitter about this. I let them know that I sent in feedback, and they let me know that even though they don't reply back with the feedback, they have seen it. They are working on it, and obviously they have to get it ready by the time the full version of Android 12 rolls out. So that's one. Another one, and this will affect content creators, so not just YouTubers but content creators, whether you create content on TikTok or if you create content on Instagram, and that is Power Director. There's this issue where when you try to render the video, it gives you an error. You have to reboot the phone in order to get the video rendered. So that's one of the other things that I did notice. But other than that, just about everything else is working pretty good. So no issues there. So anyone that has the Pixel 4, if you want to take the update, go ahead and test out beta 4, and I think you'll like it. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed, do so. Turn on notifications to be notified when I upload, and as always, aloha.